Now, the reason why the Pso Sprocket was invented, because I wanted something to be able to get into my hamstrings more effectively than anything else that I've been using. And so this is why this was created, is mainly for this, but it works great for other areas of the body and gives you a little bit of variety, all right? But this is why I created it, is to get into here. So now when I'm getting into the hamstring, you can see that there's different, they go north and south and they're long muscles, and I'm trying to get my fingers in between those muscles to help clean them up, so then you can be able to get some relief in your hamstrings, which will also get some relief in your knees. This is similar like what I was saying in the bicep. If my bicep, if this part of my body is tight, it can cause havoc on my elbow. This is the bicep of the lower leg, okay? This gets tight, havoc on the knee. So by getting into there, this feels absolutely amazing. Gets in there really nice. I can roll up and down. I can pull as hard as I want. I can do some active release stuff where I can press into it, find a tender area, slowly bring that leg up, find a new area, slowly bring that leg up. There's a lot of variety here. Still goes back in the same, so you'll hear me say this over and over. Don't overdo it. You now have the tool. Don't overdo it. Use it. Less is more. Use it, get into it, go and train, go and do stuff, go and move around. Use it for a little bit more, get into a new area, work on spots, stay consistent. That's the important thing here, is stay consistent and learn about your body. Get out the anatomy book, get out the anatomy app, talk to your friends who are trainers, talk to whatever. They're more than happy, chiropractors, massage therapists. Go see them, talk to them about that, invest in your health, and learn what's going on. See that? On your body. Press in there. Clean that up. Go with that one. I really like that one a lot.